Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Donko, and you're welcome to another wonderful video from my camp. So, in case you're wondering where we are heading to, we are heading to our fourth year anniversary. And this time around, my husband and I decided on Aburi. So we are heading to the Cactus Creek Hotel in Aburi to celebrate our 4 years anniversary. We are already 4 years. We got married. It feels like we got married yesterday and we're already 4 years. Okay, so yeah, this is us on our way to Aburi. So let's talk a little about marriage. Do I have an experience in marriage? No. I feel like I'm still in the process. I'm still learning. I'm still getting to know who I got married to. So I don't have much to say about marriage. But my dear, as much as I'm still learning, there are a few things that I've come to realize in my 4 years marriage. And I'm not here, trust me, I'm not here to come and tell you and do this and it will work, do that and it will work. No, I don't have such experience yet. If in like 20 years time I have that experience, why not? I come and share. But we are just 4 years. Yes, I know 4 years is not small, but we are still not there yet. So me mom dear, when it comes to marriage, the only thing I can tell you is, don't go with so much expectation, because my dear, you are going to be disappointed. Just enter your marriage knowing very well that you love this person, make sure you are sure that this is the person you want to spend the rest of your life with, because you are going to spend the rest of your life. You don't want to, enter marriage and then regret that you married this person. So just make sure that you love this person. That is number one. Just make sure that you want to spend the rest of your life with this person. Trust me, if you don't love this person, and my dear, own that marriage. Own it. Own the marriage like it's yours. Own it. Own the marriage like it's yours. Okay? Because I feel like if you don't own your marriage, that is when any little thing, or when someone is misbehaving in your marriage, or someone is talking trash about your marriage, that is when you can't even defend your marriage, because one guy know it's like you are in the marriage, it's like you are not in. You see. So own your marriage. If you own your marriage, nobody can tell you rubbish. So yes, we are almost at the Cactus Creek Hotel. So this is their entrance. Okay. Go to. So yes, we finally entered the hotel, and this is me giving you whatever that is going on at the background. So we are now heading to our room. So that brings us to our second point. The second point is learn to adapt. You need to learn to adapt. See, after you have learned to tolerate or everything about this person, now it's time to modify the person to your taste. I'm not saying you should enter marriage with the mindset that you're going to change somebody's character. Someone can only change if they want to. You can't change anybody. But modify the person. Modification doesn't mean say that be, and it doesn't mean you are going to give the person pressure or like chinchina. No, this is a love story we are writing. It doesn't have to be complicated. Hello. So, Ushiano, you are learning him. He is learning you. Okay, so during that process, you have to adapt some things from him, and he also adapt certain things from you. Let's say, for example, in your parents' house as a lady, when you wake up in the morning, you greet, even though you slept in the same room, the same house, even with your siblings that you slept with, crying. When you wake up, you greet them. Maybe in his own house, such norm is not there. So now you are coming to introduce this to the person, okay? So that he or she can also learn to do it, and it becomes a norm in your own home, right? So you need to learn to adapt. As you are taking some, you are leaving some. As he's learning some, like that. That's how it works. So yes, for my husband and I, this is what has been working for us ever since we got married. We decided that every year to celebrate our anniversary, we will take some days off, go somewhere, chill, relax, talk about our marriage, correct ourselves, renew our marriage ourselves, and then for the other years ahead of us. So we've been doing this for like 4 years now. Every year we've been consistent with this for like 4 years now. And this year we decided on Cactus Creek Hotel, and I don't really regret this place. I enjoyed every bit of it, especially their massage, their food, their hospitality, the rooms. Oh my goodness. So I'm about to do my skincare this morning. I've already washed my face. Okay, so I'm about to do my skincare, my morning skincare, and we have a bunch of activities to do today at Aburi, around Aburi. So I know there are a lot of places in Aburi here that we can visit. So we are trying to, get ready and then go around and check places around. So in case I don't know, by the time I post this video, we've already moved from Aburi. Obviously, you can't suggest any place for me. So I'll be checking Google, and then we already know the Aburi Botanical Gardens and some other few places, but I'll still check Google and then try and find other places that we can visit here at Aburi before we move. Look at the view. Okay, so I'm about to do my skincare, and after I'm done with my skincare, we'll be moving out. Okay, so I'm taking you guys along. But you tell me why hotels in Accra don't provide good services. I don't know, but hotels in Accra, every hotel that I've been to in Accra, their services, especially the customer service, is very bad. But hotels that I've visited outside Accra, they provide good customer service, and I don't understand why it should be so. Okay, I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing this, but if you have experienced this so far, can you please leave a comment down below? I don't know if I'm exaggerating, but this is what I've realized. So, you guys, let me do my skincare and I'll take you guys home. So, finally, this was the makeup look I settled for. Don't come and ask me what inspired this look, okay? Actually, we were to head to the pool before we go to the Aburi Botanical Garden, but plans changed. So after the makeup, I went and I had my massage. It was part of the anniversary package. So I was just giving views in the room. This massage was powerful, man. So this is me taking a mirror selfie or whatever they call it, and taking around. So after the massage, we headed straight to the Aburi Botanical Gardens, took some pictures. That is all what we did. Point number 3, communication. Communication is very important in our daily lives. And as a couple, you need to communicate a lot. I mean, it's only in marriages that there is no communication. Maybe the other partner doesn't create time to have a meaningful conversation, that when there is an issue, they run to other people first to seek for help rather than speaking with their partner and solving the issue. So communication is very important in marriage, and it really helps. And for the 4 years of my marriage, I can attest to this. So communication is very important. It is needed in every home. I mean, if we don't communicate, how will I know how you feel about a particular issue, about something that I did that I don't know? So after we left the Botanical Gardens, plans changed and we couldn't go to other places that we wanted to. So because we had candlelight dinner in the evening, and that is what it's going on my screen. These are foods that we had for the candlelight dinner. And the next day, which was 1st March, we were checking out, and I had to give you this view. This is a view from our room, okay? Yes, so the final point is tolerance. I mean, if you can't tolerate your partner, then what are you doing in that marriage? Then it's time to go. And the day you stop tolerating them, then I feel like that day, that's how I don't know. So yeah, that is the final point, to be tolerant. So we are currently on our way to Adom waterfalls. This is Adom waterfalls this year. Oh, sir. What they are they? Oh, maybe they are there. They are not. So on our way home, we decided to visit the Adom waterfalls in Aburi. I think they are here. I'm so tired. Yes, I'm in pony. You bet you ain't sure. Patch on them way. Oh, young comber. You're not sure. Bro. I underestimated this place. Hey, I actually underestimated the road to the place. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it, okay? So this is us still on our way to the place. From The car park to the waterfalls, quite one papa. It's not small. It was not a small distance. Enjoy. Look at it. Oh, this is beautiful. So finally we got here, and I saw welcome to Adom waterfalls. I thought we are there already. So now, first part one. This was actually part one. I thought we were there. This is the pavement. After here, I say we so catch it. Wow. Hi. When I got this place, I was really happy. That's damn. Sunday in Japan, quite important. I'm oh. Yeah, you go fast squad. They're very nice. Oh, it's pretty. End of year now, Mickey, what's the idea? Make coffee paper. Nature is really beautiful. Paper with you, paper with. And you're young boy. Okay. What's up? I say I put paper on the back where you. Me my home answer my twice.
When is it?
Birthday. Okona was Osane now for by. There are 3 times way, Miss Betty. I had a baby at home. No. Say, you chop at 1, you cop at 2. Paper no. You go for second one. It's here. So this was when we're heading back to the car to head back to Accra. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.